Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I was doing some planning for like some interesting content, but while I was trading I came across this interesting currency pair. So this is a Litecoin USDT, and I figured like I might as well just create this video and share with you guys first instead of planning all day. So let's get right to it. So, Litecoin's having an interesting price action movement right now. So if we're going to look at the 5-minute chart, this is the 5-minute chart. The price is actually just testing the pivot point and resistance point right now. As you can see right here. So, sorry for the sniffles. Right, so yes, make it zoom out. And check. On the hour, as you can see, there is a strong bullish uptrend forming. Something like that. So I think there's a very interesting opportunity here presenting itself right now. Right. Back to the 5-minute chart. As you can see, and not the 5-minute, where did I see it just now? Yeah, probably 5 minutes. Oh, as you can see, there's a rejection starting at this point right here. Let's see, let me draw something. Crap. Yeah, whatever. So you can see price has started to reject over here. Oops. So this might be an interesting buying point, right? Because typically this is what we call the pivot point, and pivot points are very strong support lines. Now let's see what kind of risks are we looking at. So potential upside, right? We're looking at, if you enter now, would be something along the lines of 12%, 12.62%. This could take, if we're going to estimate the time, right, this would be probably, you can expect this to happen in about, let's see here, First June, sometime between 1st and 2nd June. The time here, if you look at the bottom right, it's 10 a.m. but 10 a.m. UTC. I mean, I don't know what time is that in human being time, but yeah, 10 a.m. UTC. That's a trend, typical trend pattern right now. Seems like the market is recovering from the recent shit show. Yep, pattern holds strong. So LTC is very interesting right now. Of course, if you want to be a bit more aggressive, you can buy the moving average line, probably around this line. If you want to be a bit more aggressive, which yields you about 15% thereabouts. But hey, to me, this difference is a bit negligible because the risk is like 2% right here. So here's how I would buy, right? Here's how I would buy, set up my trade. So let's just say approximately around here, right? So here's how I set up my trade, right? So I'll enter, if I were to enter right now, I'll probably set the stop loss around here. Yep, something like that. So I'll enter at around 183.057-ish. Stop loss probably around 176. Take profit 206. 206. Yep, that's about right. Yep. So this means we are looking at a risk factor of, well, 3.45. That's great. So every dollar you invest in, you're potentially earning $3. $3.45. What else? Let's see. Let's check out on a wider time frame. Yep, looking good. If you're gonna play, if you wanna be a bit more aggressive and hold for the long term, meaning, hey, like a couple of weeks up to like months even, you could set your take profit at around 309, and you want your entry to be around 164. So something along the lines like what? So something like that. I think this is a good setup for the long run. We're looking at possibly months, yeah, for this. Right. But hey, I don't do such long time frames. Are there any other good interesting signs that we can look out for? As you can see, right, it's kind of it's traveling within a channel like a good boy. Gives me hope that the market is kind of recovering, but we do have to take note. Typically, right, I don't like it. I mean, there is a chance, right? There is a chance that this might be a bearish formation, especially. Let's see, how do I draw this? All right. Right, so you can see when typically, from my observations, right, when the trend enters a channel downwards in a bearish state, and it enters a channel like such, there is a chance that it will exit the channel like that as well. There is a chance. I mean, no guarantee obviously, but there is a chance. So actually, you might, for the aggressive trader, they might want to buy somewhere here, actually, somewhere in this zone. But I'm not really into stuff like that. I like to think that this, let me just use this. This is an interesting indicator for bullishness. And if we zoom out for a little bit, you can see the timing is about the same. It's pretty similar. And so, with the higher highs, we can expect, if I can just click this. Okay, so with the higher highs, we can expect somewhere around here, and so on and so forth. Right. So yeah, this is just a slipshot first video. I mean, just wanted to get something out, right? And I came across LTC again. Thought it was a pretty interesting deal. So why don't you guys check it out, do your own research, do your homework. I mean, this is just me giving my own opinion. Do let me know what you think. I'll be keeping a close eye on this. Thanks, and I'll catch you next time.